Garlic benefits, a superfood for your health. Garlic, a staple in kitchens around the world, isn't just valued for its strong flavor, but also for its incredible health benefits. This small, pungent herb is packed with nutrients that can positively impact various aspects of your well-being. Whether it's eaten raw, cooked, or as a supplement, garlic has been celebrated for its medicinal properties for centuries. Let's dive into some of the top health benefits of garlic and why you should consider making it a regular part of your diet. First, boosts immune function. One of the most well-known benefits of garlic is its ability to boost the immune system. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to help fight viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Regular consumption of garlic may reduce the frequency of colds and other infections. Studies suggest that garlic can shorten the duration of a cold by up to 70%, making it a great natural remedy to ward off sickness. Second, lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is one of the leading causes of heart disease and strokes. Garlic is a natural remedy to reduce blood pressure levels. Several studies have shown that consuming garlic supplements can lead to significant reductions in blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. In fact, aged garlic extract has been found to be as effective as prescription drugs in lowering blood pressure over time. 3. Improves heart health. Garlic's benefits for heart health go beyond just lowering blood pressure. It helps reduce cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, while increasing HDL cholesterol, the good kind. High LDL cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, and garlic's ability to reduce it makes it a powerful heart health booster. Additionally, garlic is known to help prevent the hardening of arteries, further promoting cardiovascular health. Fourth, rich in antioxidants. Garlic is packed with antioxidants, which play a vital role in reducing oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to aging and various diseases. By including garlic in your diet, you can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia, as antioxidants help protect brain cells from damage. Fifth, anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury and infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Garlic has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Allicin, the same compound that boosts the immune system, is also responsible for its anti-inflammatory effects. 6. Detoxifies the body. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that support the liver's detoxification process, helping the body eliminate toxins and heavy metals. Studies have shown that garlic can reduce the levels of lead and other harmful substances in the body, while also providing protection to the liver and kidneys. 7. Improves bone health. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that garlic may help improve bone health, especially in women. Garlic may increase estrogen levels in women, which can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 8. Enhances athletic performance. Garlic was historically used to enhance physical performance and combat fatigue. Ancient civilizations would give garlic to laborers and athletes to improve their endurance. Modern studies suggest that garlic can reduce exercise-induced fatigue, making it a great natural supplement for athletes. Conclusion: garlic is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting your immune system and reducing blood pressure to protecting your heart and improving bone health, garlic is truly a superfood. Whether you're eating it raw, cooked, or as a supplement, incorporating garlic into your daily routine can significantly improve your overall health. So next time you cook, remember to add a little more garlic. Your body will. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.